Hey guys, welcome to the brand new episode of JK Hannah Vlogs. It's me Jake.
Me, Hannah.
So in today's video we're making easy but delicious cinnamon roll. So let's go to the video.
So first, we have to add 3 cups of maida or all-purpose flour.
Next we have to add 1 cup of warm milk.
Then we have to add 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast.
Next we have to put 1 egg.
Next, we have to add 4 tablespoons of sugar.
Next we have to add 1 tablespoon of melted butter.
To add half teaspoon of salt and we have to make it a dough.
Next we have to put the dough in the room temperature for an hour.
Roll the dough in 17 by 10 inch rectangle.
Now we have to add 6 tablespoons of softened butter.
To make the cinnamon sugar, take 1/4 cup of sugar with the cinnamon powder with 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder.
Now roll the cinnamon as shown with 12 equal pieces. Then wait for 30 minutes and add 1 tablespoon of melted butter and then preheat it for 360 Fahrenheit.
To make the cream, first you have to add 4 tablespoons of butter and 4 ounces of cream cheese and then beat together very well with the electric mixer. Then you have to add 1 cup of powdered sugar and half tablespoon of vanilla essence and then beat them together. You get a very nice cream for frosting.
Now our cinnamon roll is ready. Guys,
We hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give a
thumbs up, like and share
and
and subscribe.
hit the bell icon to view more notifications of our video. And if you have any suggestions or concerns, please comment below. We'll be reading all the comments. So stay home,
Stay safe, stay tuned at JK Hannah Vlogs.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.